Hello everyone, I am Yugal Kumar. Today we are going to understand the construction and features of a three-phase induction motor. Before that, let's understand what is an induction motor. An induction motor or asynchronous motor is an AC electric motor in which the rotor is needed to produce torque, which is obtained by electromagnetic induction from the magnetic field of the stator winding while applying the electric current to the winding. Now let's understand a three-phase induction motor. The three-phase induction motor is a rotating electric machine that is designed to operate on a three-phase supply. This three-phase induction motor is also known as asynchronous motor. Depending upon the type of rotor used, the three-phase induction motor is classified as squirrel cage induction motor and slip ring induction motor, which is also known as phase wound induction motor. Three-phase induction motor consists of a stator and a rotor. Let's see the stator first. The stator of three-phase induction motor consists of three main parts: stator frame, stator core, and stator winding or field winding. Stator frame. It is the outer part of the three-phase induction motor. Its main function is to support the stator core and the field winding. It acts as a covering and provides mechanical strength to the inner part of the machine. The frame is either made up of die cast or fabricated steel. The frame of the three-phase induction motor should be strong and rigid, as the air gap length of the three-phase induction motor is very small. Stator core. The main function of stator core is to carry alternating flux. In order to reduce the eddy current losses, the stator core is laminated. Stator winding or field winding. The slots on the periphery of stator core of the three-phase induction motor carries three-phase induction windings. This three-phase winding is supplied by three-phase AC supply. The three phase of the winding are connected either in star or delta depending upon the type of starting method is used. Now let's understand the rotor. The rotor is a moving component of an electromagnetic system in the electric motor, electric generator, or alternator. Its rotation is due to the interaction between the windings and magnetic fields, which produces a torque around the rotor axis. There are two types of induction motor rotors. First is squirrel cage rotor or simple cage rotor. Second is phase wound or wound rotor. The motor that use this type of rotor are known as slip rings rotor. Let's see the squirrel cage rotor. Squirrel cage motor works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. It consists of rotor, stator, and other parts like bearing, cylindrical laminated core, shaft, etc. The rotor of the motor consists of a cylindrical laminated core with parallel slots for carrying the rotor conductors. The rotor conductor are not wires, but it consists of heavy bars of copper, aluminium, or an alloy. The shaft is used in the motor to transfer mechanical power. Wound rotor. The wound rotor consists of a slotted armature. Insulated conductors are put in the slots and connected to form a three-phase double layer distribution winding, similar to the stator winding. The winding of the rotor are connected in star. The slip rings are tapped using copper carbon brushes. Wound rotor construction is generally used for large size machines. Features of three-phase induction motor. The three-phase induction motor is the most widely used electric motor. Almost 80% of the mechanical power used by three-phase induction motor because of its simple and rugged construction. low cost, good operating characteristics, the absence of commutator, and good speed regulation. That's all for this video. Finally, I would like to thank Mr. LMT sir who gave this wonderful opportunity to learn and present this interesting topic.